Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkwiliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Coach Nabi njengoba senkingeni ku-Kaizer Chiefs kubonakala ngathi uyahamba, kuthiwa i-Kaizer Chiefs izama ukugcina ama-2 assistant coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs, which is uBen Yusuf noCedric Kaza or Keze, laba beba-assista that time. Niyakhumbula bafethu coach Nabi ukuthi bengekho o-coach laba ama-assistant coach bebabambisene laphana benza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, and bekubonakala ngathi ama-player less pressured when these two assistant coaches were at the helm, babambe intambo benze kahle kakhulu. So it would make sense if Kaizer Chiefs izozama ukubagcina labo coach laba bawu-2. But-ke inkinga yami-ke la noma i-question yami ukuthi mawubheka uCedric bafethu une-history noNabi ukuthi ulandele uNabi la yakhona uku-Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje ngenxa kaNabi. Would that not be a betrayal na for ucoach Nabi, ukuthi ucoach amzise amlethe la eSouth Africa, uthole i-opportunity ngaye manje ucoach Nabi mexoshwa uKaizer Chiefs but le assistant coach iyasala. But at the same time I think kumele kuhlale phansi kukhulunywe ngempela, kube ne-dialogue i-Kaizer Chiefs izodecide ukulokhu njani ukugcina noma ukusayina omunye ucoach o-brand new laphana overall ozofika nge-style esisha nezinto ezitsha overall. But-ke let's just wait and see ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izodecide nalabo coach laba bazodecide, because labo coach laba babonisile ngempela bafuthi ukuthi bayakwazi ukuyihandle i-pressure yokucoacha i-Kaizer Chiefs. Coach Nabi bengekho bakwazi ngempela ukuzibamba aqine iy'ntambo, they were undefeated and there was a sense of ease makukhona labo coach laba, even the way they spoke to the media, the way they prepared the players, everything nje ngabo you could see ukuthi they are calm, they are collected. And also njengoba balaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, as much as bama-assistant coach but beba-attract ama-different interests from other clubs. Mawubheka I mean few times ngizwe uLono or ngibone ucoach Yusuf akhuluma laphana nge-media, so ukhuluma kahle kakhulu ngama-player azobajoyina, like more calm like compared to uNabi. I think uNabi ucoach vele o-aggressive isikhathi esiningi, so I think ngamanye ama-coach lama-coaches ama-assistant coach ama-player they were at ease. Maybe ama-assistant coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs if they can take over bangazama ngempela ukwenza izinto zenzeke laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingabe seyiluza i-identity as a whole le abayibuilde for a year and few couple of months, bakwazi ukugcina ama-assistant coaches awu-2 and abonisile lama-assistant coach awu-2 ukuthi they can do the job. I mean when they are called they can do the job, bakwazile ukuvala isikhala saka-coach Nabi that time coach Nabi engekho and baba undefeated. So kubuya uNabi-ke kula i-Kaizer Chiefs seba ney'nkinga khona, but-ke ucoach Yusuf naye or uBen Yusuf bekasho ukuthi ucoach Nabi naye heavily involved, bebaplana naye throughout, but-ke i-decision making basebenza as a team, as a collective. And i-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba ngishilo bafethu ngama-assistant coaches wabayi-2 bakwazile ngempela ukuthola ama-results. If bangakwazi ukugcinela ama-assistant coach they can build from, because they can build from what coach Nabi has built nalama-assistant coaches lawa ayabonakalisa ngempela ukuthi nawo well equipped ukuthi angakwazi ukuleader i-Kaizer Chiefs, especially ama-assistant coach awu-2 and bangabagcini lese ku-long term because i-contract yabo bonke iyaphela ngoJune next year. So I think what they can do ukumake sure ukuthi okay bayawagcina lama-assistant coaches, lama-assistant coaches azomake sure ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithola ama-results. Why? Because bana only few months ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kumele ngempela baziprove bakwazi ukuwathola ama-results all together. So it will be important for them ukuthi babonise i-Kaizer Chiefs baziprove ku-management, and kuzoba i-less pressure for bona because ama-assistant coach at the end of the day, so angeke kube high demand that much. Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukubagcina ama-assistant coaches until mebathola ucoach or babathembise ukuthi okay if ningafinisha ku-top 3 ku-league or ku-CAF Confederations Cup nifike ku-semi-final or nisilethele elinye icup elilodwa, mhlawumbe nizothola i-permanent contract as ama-co-coaches going forward. But yeah man, let's wait and see sibone ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izodecide. Danke bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.